What if the cosmos is poised to break everything we believe to be true? Imagine a race to explore a local star system, a weird planet that defies all predictions, and a distant communication from the great expanses of space. The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, just discovered something that may alter our perception of life itself. The universe, in all its majesty, contains mysteries concealed in the most unlikely locations. But is the planet in issue, Proxima B, really a second Earth, a possible home for life, or is it a terrible trap waiting for those who dare to venture there? Proxima B is evolving into more than simply another exoplanet with every new discovery. It's a world that defies our assumptions about what is feasible, and we are finally starting to uncover some of its most profound mysteries because of the JWST. A disturbing world. When its presence was originally discovered in 2013, Proxima B, which orbits the red dwarf star Proxima Centauri, enthralled scientists. It continued to be a far-off object of intrigue for years. Only 4.24 light-years from Earth, might this exoplanet be the first real contender for human exploration? Or was it just another bleak, empty world? When the James Webb Space Telescope looked at this fascinating planet, everything changed. The JWST, which is frequently praised as the most sophisticated observational instrument ever created, looks farther into the cosmos than ever before thanks to its infrared imaging technology. Astronomers were able to see details that had previously been obscured by the atmosphere of Proxima B for the first time thanks to this unmatched capability. What they discovered was frightening and nothing short of extraordinary. At a startlingly near distance of 7.3 million kilometers, less than 5% of the distance between Earth and our Sun, Proxima B circles the red dwarf star Proxima Centauri. Because of its closeness, Proxima B can complete a full orbit in 11.2 Earth days, resulting in a planet where time is accelerated. However, this proximity to its star also poses significant difficulties. In contrast to our Sun, Proxima Centauri is a volatile red dwarf that is renowned for releasing strong solar flares that have the ability to significantly change the planets in its orbit. These solar flares attack Proxima B with high-energy radiation, according to JWST findings, which begs the question of whether the planet's atmosphere could withstand such assaults. Proxima B's character, a planet trapped in infinite day and night. The discovery that Proxima B is tidally locked to its star is arguably one of the most fascinating and concerning findings. To put it simply, this indicates that one side of the Earth has relentless daylight, while the other side is always covered in permanent darkness. Imagine living on a planet where half of the planet experiences freezing, nightmare temperatures, while the other half experiences scorching, desert-like circumstances due to the sun never setting on that half. The planet of extremes is produced by this tidal locking. The day side would probably be completely burned due to the red dwarf's continuous radiation. The temperature on the dark side would be much lower than anything we have ever experienced on Earth, and it would be a frozen wasteland. It would be difficult for life, as we know it, to endure in such a harsh setting. There is, nevertheless, a ray of optimism amidst these extremes. Is the Twilight Zone a possible sanctuary for life? The Twilight Zone is the small strip of land *** that separates Proxima B's day and night sides. It is where the extremes of heat and cold meet. Scientists think that temperate conditions might occur in this tiny area. This region may have a more temperate temperature with liquid water, which is essential for life. Interest in the habitability of Proxima B has increased again due to the possibility of liquid water in the Twilight Zone. As we all know, water is necessary for life. There might be a tiny oasis where life could establish itself if there is liquid water in this area. However, the presence of water poses yet another important query. What kind of life might exist on Proxima B? Would life here have developed in ways we can hardly understand? Or could we find species like those on Earth? Is the atmosphere still there? Unprecedented information about the atmosphere, or rather, the possible absence of it, of Proxima B has also been made possible by the JWST. Proxima B is continuously hit by solar wind and high-energy particles due to Proxima Centauri's strong radiation and the planet's near orbit. The planet's atmosphere may have been gradually destroyed by this unrelenting attack, leaving it bare and vulnerable to the icy void of space. But according to other scientists, Proxima B may still have a thin atmosphere made up of heavier molecules like nitrogen or carbon dioxide. A habitable zone in the twilight zone might be preserved if these gases offer some degree of shielding from the star's radiation. Proxima B water, the startling discovery. Examining the possible existence of water on Proxima B was one of the most thrilling findings. If there is water, it is probably in the form of tiny, transient bodies of liquid water in the twilight zone or ice on the planet's dark side. The finding of potential subsurface oceans, resembling those on our solar system's moons Europa and Enceladus, however, was what really astounded many. These oceans, which are concealed beneath the ice surface of Proxima B, may be heated by the tidal forces brought on by the planet's near-star orbit or by the planet's core. If there are such oceans, they would be ideal places to look for life because they are protected from the severe circumstances above by layers of ice. The function of the magnetic field of Proxima Centauri. The interaction of Proxima Centauri's magnetic field with the planet itself is another element that complicates the environment of Proxima B, similar to how Earth's magnetic field protects us from the sun's radiation. Recent research indicates that the star's magnetic field may create a magnetic field on Proxima B that could prevent the solar wind from completely removing its atmosphere. The situation is far from straightforward, though. The strong flares from Proxima Centauri might be too strong for Proxima B's magnetic defenses, causing abrupt and drastic climate shifts. These intense solar flares have the potential to severely alter surface conditions and disrupt any existing atmosphere. Is life found in the mysterious signal from Proxima Centauri? A new mystery surfaced just as the scientific world was beginning to accept the terrible reality of Proxima B. Astronomers from the Breakthrough Listen project discovered an odd signal emanating from Proxima Centauri in late 2020. Researchers had never seen a signal like this before, broadcasting at 982.5 MHz. Soon there was speculation. Is this a message from a highly developed Alpha Centauri civilization? Is it possible that it originated from Proxima B? The signal was unique enough to provoke discussion even though it lacked the characteristics of a purposefully delivered message. No modulations or recurring patterns. Could this be something more than just human-made technology interfering? The signal's origin is still unknown, despite more research showing no concrete proof of an alien origin. It acts as a reminder of our limited understanding of the universe and the possibility of extraterrestrial life. Breakthrough starshot. The concept of reaching Proxima Centauri has evolved from science fantasy to a legitimate scientific undertaking, even though the signal is still unknown. Within our lifetimes, the Breakthrough Starshot Initiative, headed by visionaries like Yuri Milner and Stephen Hawking, plans to launch small, laser-powered spacecraft to Proxima Centauri and the Alpha Centauri system. Known as starships, this spacecraft would have sensors, cameras, and communication devices. It would take them slightly over 20 years to get to Proxima Centauri at 20% the speed of light. When they arrived, they would send information back to Earth, allowing us to see Proxima B and its nearby planets up close for the first time. But this quest is fraught with difficulties. The lasers used to propel the spaceship will demand a lot of energy, and they will need to be safeguarded from space debris. However, if this mission is successful, it may open the door to future interstellar exploration and even the finding of new life-supporting worlds. What happens if we discover life? The ethical and intellectual ramifications must also be addressed as we get ready to investigate other star systems. What happens if we discover proof of life, whether it be intelligent or not? How ought we to react? And what happens if people view our arrival in a different star system as a threat? As Breakthrough Starshot develops further, these questions remain. Now that the race to Proxima Centauri is intensifying, the prospect of visiting another star system is not only a pipe dream but is actually coming true. One thing is clear as the starships get ready for their voyage. The race to Proxima Centauri is only getting started, and the discoveries that lie ahead could fundamentally alter our understanding of the cosmos. Is Proxima B just another cosmic enigma? Or may it hold the secret to finding extraterrestrial life?